Chin up. There you go. Chin up. Chewy. Pretty cute. You're pretty cute. It's not perfect. I keep making holes in it. Chin up. Get the fly. Let me see. Chewy. Can you look at me? Chewy. Chewy. I'm gonna get the fly. There's a fly in here. We don't do flies. We eat flies for dinner. Now we're gonna groom you, give you a haircut if you're chasing flies. Gonna get flies? All right, can you look at me so we can finish your face? It's just a hair. It's not flies. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, no. No. Oh, it's so cute. I'm going to put big holes in your face because I can't hold you and do this and record, huh? Oh, you're so cute. I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, let me see. Much better. You look good. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Your whiskers are kind of flat. Your whiskers are flat. Here, let's try this. Wow, look at that. Okay, here. Why you got such flat whiskers? All right, let me see. What do you think? Are you done? Are you gonna get a fly? Highly stressed out. Highly stressed out, groom dog. Did you get the fly? Where is it? He's so cute. All right, I need to finish him so we can go home. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see your face. See. Look. Ah! Let me see. There. So cute. All right. Done.